Will Smith took lessons to solve Rubik's Cube under 2 minutes. On Sunday night, Wuque M shocked the world as he slapped presenter ChrisRock across the face, after the comedian made a joke about Jada Pinkett Smith's shaved head. But do you know his hands are capable just more than that? In the movie, The Pursuit of Happiness, Will Smith delivered one of his best performances in, and received an Oscar nomination for his portrayal of struggling salesman. This film takes place during the early 80s, when Rubik's Cubes were all the rage. One of the most memorable scenes shows Smith's character solving the complicated puzzle during a short cab ride. Will Smith took the help of professionals to learn the skill. Speedcubing champions like Tyson Mao, Toby Mao, and Lars Petrus were appointed to teach Will Smith to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes for the particular scene. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.